Hey guys, welcome back to Rockwell Acres Farm. I'm John.
And I'm Kama.
Today we're going to be moving our box stand down to our food plot. Right, you can probably pull back now. Okay. A little more.
She wants to go.
Here. There she is.
You going with us, Rox?
Oh man, look at the paw print.
Me.
Roxy, you going bye-bye.
Leather will wipe off.
You going bye-bye.
Ready to go? Yeah, she's with me.
Here comes Brooke.
What are you doing?
She says I'm going. I'm going with you guys.
Dirty balls everywhere.
Okay.
We just pulled up here and we were looking at this lower pasture below our house. John was just clearing this out, bulldozing this a couple weeks ago, you guys might remember. And he seeded this out, and look at all of that fresh green grass.
Get my hammer. I'm going to get behind the stand. I'm going to put the forks on the back side, and then we're going to shut the door and strap it to the backhoe, and then we're going to put it on the trailer, haul it to its location, and set it where we want it. I'm just going to see if I can raise it up and move it.
Am I supposed to hold it still?
It's strapped like it's supposed to be.
Am I supposed to hold it still? Oh my God!
that's the problem. It's too wide. It's built too wide for the trailer. I'm not sure what we're going to do now. This off too.
Okay.
The whole base is like all.
It's better now. Am I up against it now?
Yeah, but this side is barely, you're barely on over there. Okay, so now we're taking off the trailer. We're just dumping the trailer because So the problem he's having is he can't really see where he's going, and he's trying to guide this blindly through the trees. Well, we got it in here. We did have a little bit of a break, which we can repair. We can reinforce that. It's not going to be that big a deal. It could have been worse. Haven't set it down yet. We're just gonna have to. He was trying to get the legs under it a little bit better before we actually set it down.
Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull in, I'm gonna pull over, and I'm gonna kind of catty corner it a little bit right here.
Okay.
Standing pretty much. A little bit off level, but I'm just trying to decide if I want to leave it like that or if I want to put something under it. I think
It's not that off level, but it is a little bit. So, I mean, we could put like
a small rock under there.
Yeah, just something that's just a few inches, like 3 inches tall.
So kind of the third part's still good.
Yeah, look at all that. That's what we want.
I'm gonna lift it up. We'll get that underneath.
Okay. All right, let's try that. It's really hard to tell what is completely like level now. It looks pretty good, but it may be up in the front a little bit. I don't know about the other side. Yeah, we gotta level that out there.
You see that?
What? Yeah, if you can just put about a 1.5 inch rock on the other side, 2 inch rock.
Yeah, there's something on the bottom.
All right, well, I think we're gonna have to close it out here. It's getting too dark. Well, guys, we made it into the food plot. We do have that one little repair to make. It won't be that big a deal, and we're just gonna level it out. But it's getting too dark. We're just gonna go ahead and wrap up the video. But thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you right back here on our next video with Rockwell Acres. Have a good evening.
Bye.